Now that we seen it in person, looks more better than we thought it was. Ooh, goodness me. Look at that shine.
Bottom monkey. I might even want my handlebars to come up a little further. Just like the blue one. Nice. Like super high. Oh, you just put a slide the ramps. Just pick them up and just slide them into the trailer. There it is. Whew. That boy. Easy one.
There it is. That blue flame. That black spider monkey. Ooh, that's nasty.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, it's time to do some riding, boy. We just gonna get a little taste, and that's it, okay?
Okay.
Get just a little taste. Don't get too happy. Come here. This is my baby boy. Me and my baby boy and our spider monkeys. Gonna go for a ride, get a little taste with his old man. He's still a baby bird. That is, oh, look at that look right there.
Yeah, look at that.
That's sick right there, boy.
Oh, you don't know how happy
Ooh.
I am.
Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and you see I got the rack. We got the rack on the blue flame. And I got the mirror heighteners right here. So now we can actually use these mirrors just with that one thing. So I got that for the spider monkey. I've been waiting on it. I just picked it up. So I'm going to be putting on the rack and putting on the mirror lifters and the seat adjusters. Now we can just hand tighten this to get our seat on and off instead of needing a tool. All right, come on, mount up.
Follow the leader. Good? Yep. I know.
Ooh, it's cold.
Yeah, my God.
Yeah, we're gonna have to try this another day. Almost got 1 mile. I got .09 of a mile. I don't even got a whole mile on it yet.